Let us have this example.
The given quantities are S sub n, which is equal to negative 80, A sub 1 equals 10, A sub n equals negative 26, and n is the quantity that being asked in the problem. Kung isa ka formula lang atong gamiton, dapat isa lang ka unknown. Like for example, this problem. Kung tanawon ta ang S sub n given. So okay ni siya. A sub 1 given man di. So may ara man ang may A sub 1 man ang duha ka formula. S sub n given man dire sa first, pwede tayong magamit ang A sub n sa first formula, sa second hindi. And we are asked to solve for n. Now, using the first formula, S sub n okay, given. A sub 1 para man sa given. Kag A sub n given man siya. Kung masolve ta ang n, then mag-determine ta kung ikapila ni siyang A sub n, and at the same time, mabalaan ta kung pila ka terms ang gin-add that the sum gives negative 80. Okay? So kung second formula itong gamiton, S sub n, okay, given. Again, sa first formula, n lang gid ang hindi given. So pwede na ni ma-solve ang equation kay one unknown lang. Sa second formula, S sub n given, n is not given, A sub 1 given, n again is not given, and D is also not given. So in this case, we have two unknowns in the second formula, n kag D. So kay isa lang siya ka formula, we can more than one ka quantities ang ginapasolve, then we will not be using this formula. So we can use this first formula, S sub n equals n over 2 times A sub 1 plus A sub n. Okay? Next step is to substitute the values. S sub n is equal to negative 80. Substitute this value to the formula. A sub 1 is 10. So from the formula, we change A sub 1 to 10. A sub n, or the last term, is given to be negative 26. Then we are asked to solve for n. Okay, after substituting, we can see that n lang gid ang wala na change sa iya value. So we can solve this. So nagsundan na ang positive kag negative. So this can result to 10 minus 26. Okay, next. Similar. Eliminate fraction by multiplying the whole equation by 2. Okay. So kung i-multiply ta na negative 80 by 2, that is equal to 160. This is equal to, multiply this by 2, it is equal to n na lang, sa madula ng fraction. After that, we can simplify first the terms inside the grouping symbol. 10 minus 26 is negative 16. Then, amuna pag-multiply tasang n. So, negative 160 equals negative 16n. Okay? Then, to solve for n, divide the whole equation by negative 16. So, after dividing, negative 160 divided by 16 is equal to 10 equals negative 16 divided by negative 16 is 1. So, mabilin n na lang. So, meaning n is equal to 10. So, going back to the problem, since we are asked to solve for n, so since n is equal to 10, that means that this is equal to A sub 10, meaning negative 26 is the 10th term, while S sub n, which is equal to negative 80, is the sum of the first 10 terms of the given sequence.